Hello, Wojak East community. Today is January 24th, 2026. Extremely cold Saturday, but sunny too. So I don't know where everybody is at, but I'm at the northeast side of the United States. And over this weekend, we're gonna have a winter storm that will affect close to 200 million people, half the country in the U.S. from Texas all the way to Maine. And where I am at, we expect to receive about 12 to 18 inches of snow. And today is the coldest day of the year. The wind chill is in the negative Fahrenheit, and the high today is not going to be above 14 degrees Fahrenheit. So extremely cold. In terms of the market, it's pretty frigid too. Bitcoin again is below 90K, and Wojak, still hovering at multi-month lows. I picked up some more Wojak earlier today, and the majority of my cash right now is still locked. It's still being locked in Coinbase and will not be able to unlock until later today. So once the funds is unlocked, I'm looking forward to buy some more Wojak at these prices. Again, want to encourage everyone. I know that how depressing the price has been over the past few months, especially past week. We had 5 days straight with a negative, with the red candles. And yesterday I was thinking that it might be another red candle, but we edged out. We closed in the green, barely. It's frustrating, especially seeing gold and silver, precious metals, just making all-time highs. A lot of that has to do with the uncertainty of geopolitics, what is going on in Iran. But I think if we do not go into World War III, eventually Bitcoin is going to come back. The money is going to flow out of safe havens like gold and silver and back into Bitcoin. And even if we have a war, I believe that Bitcoin is much better asset to hold than gold, especially than silver. You don't have to worry about buying a fake Bitcoin, nor you don't have to worry about your country's law enforcement stopping you at the border and confiscating your gold, your physical gold and silver. With Bitcoin, all you need is just to remember your private key or a seed phrase. You're able to move your entire asset from one country to another with you. So you cannot beat that. You cannot beat that kind of portability and authenticity when it comes to gold and when it comes to hard assets. Also, Bitcoin does not inflate as much as gold or silver, for that matter. Today I just saw the news that China discovered this huge gold mine, so that's going to increase the supply. With Bitcoin, we're inflating at barely, 1% a year, and in another 3 years, we're gonna half that, and we're quickly approaching the 20 million Bitcoin mark. So there will only be another million left once we hit that milestone. Less than 5% of the total supply. So I know that it's frustrating that Bitcoin is not moving, and because Bitcoin is not moving, Wojak is not moving. But I think our days are coming. 2026 will be a great year for crypto, assuming we do not go into World War III. But even if we go to World War III, what kind of money we have, I think is going to be the least on our concerns. Especially if we talk about nuclear war. So I'm still hopeful of the future, and I believe that the Ayatollah of Iran is on his way out, and the RGC will be annihilated, by the Iranian people, the brave Iranian people, with the help, of course, of Israel and the United States. So that's all I have for today. Stay warm and stay safe if you have to travel in this wintry weather. And tomorrow I'll be off, and I will see everybody on Monday. Thank you guys so much, and shout out to Francois for still being active, in these market conditions. Appreciate it. See you guys on Monday.